Hey, and welcome to Smart Office, weekly tips and tricks to work around Microsoft Office applications.
How to configure protected view settings in Microsoft's applications. The file was opened from an internet location. The file was received as an Outlook attachment. The file was opened from an unsafe location. These are some reasons why a file opens in protected view. Protected view is a read-only mode where most of the editing functions are disabled. Files from the internet and other unsafe locations may harm our computer. This is where protected view appears in Microsoft Office application. It helps protect our computer from files that may harm us, so they are opened as read-only or in protected view. By using protected view, we can read the file, see its contents, and then enable editing. If you want to configure the protected view settings for Microsoft Office applications, just watch the video below. We must move into Backstage view, so I select the File tab in order to move to Backstage view. From the drop-down menu that appears, I select the command Options. The Word Options dialog box appears, where from the left I must select the area named Trust Center. Trust Center help keep your documents safe and your computer secure and healthy. And then at the right, I select the command Trust Center Settings, Security and Privacy Settings. These settings can help you keep your computer secure. I activate the command. The Trust Center dialog box appears. From here, I select the area named Protected View. And here we are notified. Protected view opens potentially dangerous files without any security prompts in a restricted mode to help minimize harm to your computer. By disabling protected view, you could be exposing your computer to possible security threats. We can either activate or deactivate the following commands. Enable protected view for files originating from the internet. Enable protected view for files located in potentially unsafe locations. Enable protected view for Outlook attachment. Whatever adjustments we do, we must press the OK button at the bottom right corner of the Trust Center dialog box, and then once again for the Word Options dialog box. I've done the same for Microsoft Excel, where the same commands are available here, and for Microsoft PowerPoint, where the protected view settings are the same here also. Just remember that there are threats out there, and we must leave it as it is.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.